Hello friends, this is Mira Johnson. I'm a holistic life coach and pamper chef consultant, and today I'm bringing you a very easy recipe you can make at home. You're going to love it. It's packed with nutrients. We're going to be using cauliflower and sweet potato as the base of this recipe, and if you're vegan or gluten free, it's going to be perfect for you. If you're a carnivore, you could use it as one of your sides, so stay tuned. I found this wonderful lemongrass coconut curry spice for this recipe, and it's gonna give our cauliflower and a sweet potato a wonderful flavor. Here are my Pamper Chef tools, and like a good soldier, I'm gonna get started. First, I'm gonna take the tips off of my sweet potato and cut my cauliflower in half. I only need half. And I'm going to be using my tempered glass mixing bowl. It's freezer, microwave, and oven safe. And my veggie strip maker does all the work I need. I don't need to take out any electric tools. The convenient hatch safely locks in place with my bowl. See that? I want you to see how wonderful it works. Now, once I get done, I'm gonna mix them really well and set aside, and I'm gonna turn my stove into medium high. And once it comes to temperature, the first ingredient I'm gonna add to my pan, it's going to be the avocado oil. Avocado oil is a high heat oil, so it's wonderful for this recipe. And I'm going to saute my mushrooms for about 3 minutes. Now, the next tool I want to show you is this powerful garlic press that I am about to grab. Yes, and the garlic press does all the work also for me. It gives me the exact amount of garlic I need, and I don't have to peel it. Look how easy it is. It has a little brush that helps me with the cleanup, and I'll show you how it's going to also help me pull the skin of the garlic away. And even when, if my hands is a little inflamed, I could still use this tool and I don't have to go through the process of peeling. See how easy? Now, once you get your garlic in, you want to actually, the next step, see how easy? I'm going to pull the skin now so you can see that easy it is to use this tool. It's the Pamper Chef garlic press. You could also use it for horseradish and ginger. Now let's add our cauliflower and sweet potato, and let's mix that in real good. There you go. Just want to make sure that all of the ingredients are mixing together and are getting that garlic flavor in. The next thing I'm going to add is my lemongrass coconut curry spice, and I'm going to keep mixing because again, I want my sweet potato and my cauliflower to get that. Then I'm going to add some sliced radish, 2 pinches of pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and my last ingredient is the rice vinegar. Now I want to mix all the ingredients, and I'm going to, once they're really well mixed, I'm going to cover them for 7 minutes. And don't worry about missing a step because I will post the recipe at the end of this video with the credits. Now, check it out. Now we're going to cover it. Let it cook for 7 minutes. And once you uncover it, you see that steam, the aroma of this dish is spectacular. You can definitely use this as a side dish with some roasted chicken or grilled chicken, grilled shrimp. Now I'm going to add it to my plate, but my bowl first, I like to add field grains to the bottom. So when I'm eating it, I'm picking up also those field grains. And there you go. I'm going to add it to my bowl. And pretty much add some of my almonds for adding nutrition and crunch and flavor, and there it is. Simple as that. I'll finish it with a little bit more of Himalayan salt. And as you can see, it was so easy. My dish is plated. I love the almond crunch. I'm actually going to add una raja de aguacate, a slice of avocado to it, just to bring it home with that avocado oil. And now we're going to taste. This is one of my favorite recipes. especially when I'm not eating any meat. There we go. Yes, I love the crunch because still have some crunch to them. And the creaminess of the avocado, I could taste the rice vinegar in it. And the almonds with cauliflower still has a little crunch. And on the bottom, as you saw when I played it, I like to add a little bit of greens. And it's delicious. Please try it. If you do try it, tag us on our social media. Show us your version of it. We are on breakingbreadwithmira.com is our website. And we're on Facebook as Coach Mira Cooks and also Mira Johnson. Find us there, Twitter, Coach Mira Cooks, and also on Instagram. And if you are finding this video on YouTube, subscribe so we could send you more videos as we get you ready for the summer. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.